welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe and share. Let's do this!
What are you doing? You waiting for the ice cream truck?
Because I'm throwing this ball to the sky. Back up. Let me show you. I'm going to pick up the truck. It's bouncy. Thank you. I get it.
So what are you going to get from the ice cream truck?
Chocolate ice cream.
And if they don't have that? If they don't have it, what are you going to get? Popsicle? Hmm?
Yeah, go. Good. Let's go.
Hmm? You're going to throw it at the moon?
Yeah.
It's going to go on the road.
Eh?
It's going to go on the road.
And get one over.
Yeah.
It's bouncy.
It will pop.
Ow.
If something run over it, it's going to pop.
That I'm not sure.
What?
That I'm not sure.
Whatever.
So not on them.
Why are you in the sun? Why are you sitting in the sun?
I'll show you.
Christian, stop playing with the ball on the road.
Can I play inside? Huh?
No,
Why?
because you're going to break things.
Because you're bad boys.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're not stopping the truck. Boy, you're crazy. Go, 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 go. Hi. You have the chocolate covered. Huh? Two of them. Yeah. If the only that you have? It don't matter as long as they're the same thing then. You want it without, Christian, you want it without the peanut?
One have peanut, one don't have.
Yeah.
It's peanut.
Wait, what inside?
This one have peanut.
What inside?
Chocolate.
Chocolate inside? No, me don't want the chocolate inside. This one is yours. Hold it good. Alright, thanks. You good now, sir? Don't kick the